Hi guys, I'm going to explain you regarding advanced ticket escalation add-on. As its name suggests, it is to create advanced ticket escalation rules. By creating these advanced rules, you can decreases the response time on a ticket as well as you can increases the customer satisfaction. Let's see how it works. Click on add-ons advanced ticket escalation add-on. First of all, we will set up some master settings. Click on set priorities. We can create four kinds of advanced ticket escalation rules: by product groups, by number of client replies, by number of tickets, and by issue type. So here you can set the priority of these rules, which rule should apply first. Once you have set up it, create categories. These are the general categories of tickets you can define, like Linux. These are Linux tickets associated with Linux category. Windows, you can create any category here by filling the form. Choose product groups which comes into this category. Click on save. To edit a ticket, you can click on edit. Simply edit. Click on save button. And you can also delete a category by clicking on delete icon. This is simple add, edit, delete process which will follow in all the sections of this add-on. Now we go to issue types. Following the same way, you can add, edit or delete issue types. Issue types are general ticket issue types like installation issue, service cancellation request. You can create some general issue types. Now you can now one question click on your mind: how we can associate an issue type or product group to a ticket. Click on a support ticket. Here you can see issue type drop down is coming here and a product group is coming here. You can associate any issue type to that ticket. You can also associate a product group to that ticket. You have to follow this step to all the new tickets opened for once, so that advanced escalation rules can apply on that. Now again go back to advanced ticket escalation and create some rules. First of all, we create by product groups rule. You can choose a category, choose a department for which that rule will apply, choose some applicable status of ticket for which this rule will apply if ticket comes in these status, one of these status. Choose the admins. You can choose multiple admins whom this ticket will escalate if criteria fulfills. The ticket will escalate to one of the assigned admins and that admin will notified via email. You can choose the product groups. Product groups filters according to the criteria. Suppose you choose Windows, it will be automatically fill with Windows product groups only. And you can click on save and create a rule. Edit and delete will work like we did for previous sections. Now suppose this is a rule. If a ticket opens in Linux category, if a ticket opens, if a ticket is related to Linux category, it is opened in sales department, its status is either answered or on hold, it is associated with one of the product groups, WHMCS themes or WHMCS add-ons, then it will be assigned to, it will be escalated to one of these three admins and that admin will be get notified via email. So this way this escalation rule works. Now go to by number of client replies. The same thing works here. Here we can see one additional criteria, number of client replies more than in a ticket. If number of client replies, let's see the below example. If number of client replies on a ticket are more than 10, then this rule will be applicable. The other criteria will also check in the rule. The only difference between by product groups and by number of client replies is this: the number of client replies more than this in a ticket. Now come to by number of tickets. Same thing will be applicable here. There is only one additional criteria: the number of tickets more than this in last these days. Let's take the below example. If the number of tickets of a client are more than 3 in last 5 days, then this rule will be applicable. And last is by issue type. The only additional criteria is issue type. If a ticket is associated with this issue type, then this rule will be applicable. The other criteria will be also checked, like applicable status, applicable departments. So this is the basic of advanced ticket escalation. For more detail, you can check the text documentation of it. Thanks.